Front bumper removal, 2000 Ford F150. The tools we used were a 1/2 inch breaker bar, 1/2 inch ratchet, 21mm socket, and some penetrating oil. There are 4 fasteners holding the front bumper on, 2 on each side, 2 here and 2 here. A little bit of penetrating oil helps to break these fasteners loose, even better if you let it soak for a time. Use a 1/2 inch breaker bar to break the fasteners loose. Once the fasteners are loose, they can easily be removed with a ratchet. Do the same on the other side. Our grill was removed, making access easier, but you can also access these fasteners from underneath. Have a friend hold the front bumper while you remove the final fastener. You can then remove the bumper from the truck.